All right, let's go ahead and do this. Let's see. First one, we're just adding it. So go ahead and add the matrix. This is a 3 by 2, and this is a 3 by 2. So when we're done, we will get a 3 by 2. 3 by 2 looks just like the others. And all you're doing is just adding the terms are in the same place. So 3 plus 0 makes 3. That's all you're really doing. Okay. Next one, you're doing 6 plus negative 1 makes 5. Okay. Again, that's all you're doing. So I'll do this for this first round. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. And 3 plus 0, negative 3 plus 0 is negative 3.
This is a math class? No. Math 3? Math 1. AP calculus. 3 calculus. Who teaches math 3? Aria.
Negative 5 plus 2,
Ellingson
negative
and
3.
Wood. Because Wood followed us from middle school. So.
And the last one is negative 1 plus 3 is 2. All right, that's all it is. Just add things that are in similar places or corresponding places. Number 2 is a subtraction. So again, if we look at the dimension, this is a 2 by 3 and a 2 by 3. We're going to go ahead and get an answer that's also going to be a 2 by 3. So it's going to look like this. Okay. So negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11. 2 minus negative 5 is 7. Negative 2 minus negative 6 is actually 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Negative 2 minus 3, negative 5. 0 minus negative 3 is positive 3. Okay. So basically just the only thing about this is that you're going to make sure that you take this negative and you subtract each of these. So it's kind of like a scalar of that. Okay.
Yeah, no, I didn't pass either because I missed Bernal. And I took biology over the summer. I had so much fun. It was easy fun.
Okay, 3, you're going to go ahead and do distributive property. So this negative 5, just like how we did with the last one, it's going to get distributed all into there.
It was fun because we dissected it.
Okay, so this is going to equal negative 25, negative 30, positive 20. That's the end of that first row. Negative 20, 10, 5. Okay. Number 4, same idea. I'm going to put this in blue or red. So negative 5 into each of those. This is scalar multiplication. This is going to equal 15. Negative 5 times 0 is 0. Negative 5 times 0 is 0. Negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. Okay, number 5. I'm going to go ahead and just add things that are in the same position. So 4 plus negative 2 is 2. 2 plus negative 6 is going to be a negative 4. That's it. Number 6. 5 is going to get distributed in there.
There's no chemistry over the summer. They don't offer those.
So I'm going to get 20. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15.
The reason why they offered biology last year was because the amount of kids that failed Miss Bernal.
You can have this.
Bernal had a lot of kids last year. Like when I mean a lot of kids, I mean all of her classes were bigger than her. And Erie had
if you like call them or something.
I already have somebody in there.
In the library?
Yeah. One of your classmates is already in there. So. Yeah, just chill in here. I mean, I'm not. All thing I'm saying, just hold on to your water bottle. That's it.
I'm still in the hospital.
Huh? Hold on to your water. Tom speaking. Yes.
Xbox.
No, I sent her to the office. You said
First
you
month
sent her
that
up,
I
right?
was diagnosed, I didn't do anything. I just been in
Yeah,
the room.
yeah. I sent her up. She came up about 10 minutes ago.
Straight.
It's like, yo, missing assignment.
Yeah, I mean, you guys need to be here, and there's only one person out at a
Yeah,
time.
I'm not doing anything in here.
I know.
I'm not doing anything in there.
But I'm still responsible for you guys.
Nothing gonna happen to me.
I know, but still.
Yeah, you missed a lot.
I'm sorry, bud.
I mean, COVID happened, so.
I was here during COVID. I only left like around
-5.
semester,
-5 times 1.
4 months.
-5 times -2.
Before spring
10.
break.
-5 times -1 is 5. -5 times 2 is -10.
Bro, when we a copy, bro. Who's even in there? No, just that way back.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know that. I don't know all you guys' names.
Because I'm just better at
That's whoever left before you. What's his name? Or what's the,
How do you know you're
just,
in there? You can be outside.
I think Adam was hinting at something.
Bro, you ain't got any crazy videos.
Crazy videos of what?
5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times -2 is -10. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So just basically just distribute it all throughout
I
there.
know you know who I'm talking about.
I know that name, but I forgot.
I got pictures of him.
Okay, this is where it starts getting a little tricky. You're going to go -2 u times 7. It's going to be -14 u
Oh,
squared.
yeah, my friend.
-2u times 3, -6 u w squared.
Yeah, he's funny if you have a filter on.
Oh, no.
-2u times 5u. -10 u squared. -2u times 5 is -10 u. Okay, this one is just straight up addition. So when you add that, you're going to go ahead and get a 2 by 1. So 2 plus 5 is 7, and 4 plus 6 is 10. That's pretty much it for addition, subtraction. Pretty straightforward. Okay, same thing with this one. I'm going to go ahead and distribute that. So 4 gets scalar multiplied into it. So you get -16, 12, and -20.
I'm bored.
Okay, this one, same thing again. And you get a 2 by 2. -4n plus 4 is -4n plus 4. Headphones. I already told you guys before you guys came in. M plus n plus -5 is n plus m minus 5. -2n plus 3m. -2n plus 3m.
Can I go pour this out? So it's on our...
-4n plus 0 is -4n. Right? Let me fix this right here for you guys. N plus m minus 5. Sorry, that really wasn't fixed. Okay, backside, same kind of idea. Go ahead and, because they're the same size, you can add them. So 2 plus 1 is 3. -5 plus -2 is -7. -3 plus -3 is -6. Okay. So you get the same size. X plus y plus -5. You get x plus y minus 5. X minus 6 plus -6xy. You're going to get x minus 6 minus 6xy.
Trust me. No. Well, yeah, she did show up to class, but did you call? No. Okay. Well, yeah, you guys said to send her up, right? So I sent her up. And she didn't want to come up, and she came up. Or she left the class. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Well,
Okay, this one's gonna be scalar. So 4c times 0, 4c times 6, 4c times 0, 4c times 3a. So you're gonna get 4c. So anything times 0 is 0. 4c times 6, and you're gonna get 4 times 6 is 24. C. 4 times 0. 4c times 0 is also 0. And 4c times 3a is 12. A, C. You're gonna have to sign out. Okay. You got 5 minutes. Is there a pass right there? Yeah. So this is another scalar. Multiply it like that. Gonna get 6. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. And then you get x and y. Negative 3 y times negative y. So negative 3 times a negative is positive 3. And then you get y times y. Y squared. Negative 3y times negative 4y. You get 12. And then you get y squared. Negative 3y times negative 3x. Negative 3 and negative 3 is 9. And you get x and you get a y. Okay, this is just a scalar multiplication. Negative 3 times, or 3 times 2u is 6u. 3 times v squared is 3v squared. 3 times u is 3u. Okay, this is a subtraction. So you have negative x minus 1 and then minus y. So you get negative x minus y minus 1. You can't do anything, so just write it like that. Okay, next was negative 2x minus negative 2. So the best you can do is just call this negative 2x minus a negative 2 makes positive 2. And then lastly, negative 5y minus a negative 3x. So you're going to get a negative 5y plus 3x. Okay. 19. Get negative 6r plus t plus 6r. You're going to get negative 6r plus t. So you can't do anything there when we add 6r. So look at it like this. Right? When you add 6r, you're going to be able to cancel these right here out. So your final answer is just going to end up having just a t on top. Okay. Negative r plus negative 4t makes negative r minus 4t. And you can't do anything, so you leave it like that. So we're going to get negative r minus 4t. Last one. 6s minus 3r plus 2. And if you look at it, you can't do anything with that. So you're just going to go ahead and leave that alone. So 6s minus 3r plus 2. And that's the best you can do with that. Okay. Okay, 20. Let's see. So you have z minus 5 and plus a negative 3y, so you're just going to put minus 3y. That's the best you can do for that one. Okay. 6 plus 3z, that's let's see, negative 6. You're going to add 3z. Not much you can do there.
Is it okay if we just go to talk to the teacher?
No.
No?
Not right now. Okay. Negative 1 minus 6z plus 5 plus z. So you can see you're going to be able to do a lot with this one right here. Yes.
Can I go speak to Maestra Hernandez about the world culture fair? Because I'm going to perform.
How many times have you been out today?
Once. To the office.
Isn't that enough?
I
You're going to have to wait. I'm sorry. Okay. So yeah, you're going to have to go ahead and combine this one. So far we got z minus 5 minus 3y. And so far you got negative 6 plus 3z. But this one right here, you can definitely combine negative 1 and 5 together to make 4. And you can combine negative 6z and positive z. That's the same as positive 1z. So you will have a total of negative 5z. Okay, and lastly, you get 3y plus 4z, and you can't do anything there. So that's the best you got. So at the end, 3y plus 4z. So this one is your final answer at the bottom. All right. Okay, 21. Okay, so these are starting to combine a couple steps together. So we have, so first, you see how notice how the 5 is outside of that matrix. So you're going to go ahead and use scalar multiplication and take that inside of there. So you're going to have 30, 5, 10, negative 30. You're going to subtract the second matrix from there. 1, 6, negative 6, and 6. Okay, so your answer, 30 minus 1 is 29. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. 10 minus negative 6 is 16. Negative 30 minus 6 is negative 36. This one, notice the 5 is actually outside of both of these. So 5 goes into that, and 5 goes into this. So let me rewrite it for you. This will be negative 5, 0, negative 2, and 5. And you're going to add, and then you're going to get another negative 5 with the 2, 0, 2. Okay, so you're going to have to work this one out first. So you're going to get 0, negative 5 times 2 is 10. Negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. And then you go negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Negative 5 times 0 is 0. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Okay, then you're finally going to put it all together. So this will be negative 10, 10, negative 35. Okay, last two. Okay. Notice there's 3 of them, so you got to do the first 2 together. So this will equal 5 minus negative 6 is 11. 5 minus 0 is 5. Oh, sorry, that's not 5. 5 minus negative 6 is 11. 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1 minus negative 4 is 5. And then we got to do the second part. 5, 4, negative 2, negative 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. 4 minus negative 2. So double negative here, so it means positive. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 minus negative 6, again double negative. So it'll be 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, last one. Let's see, we're going to go ahead and leave that first piece the same.
I'm pretty sure that's liver, no?
Sign up. Okay. By the door. Take the pass with you. By the door. Yeah.
What happens after your donation? Was tested for several types of hepatitis, HIV, syphilis.
So add. So you're going to go ahead and add 5 times that. So this is actually going to be a scalar multiplication. Goes into all of that.
On purpose.
So 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. And then finally, you're going to wrap it up by adding them. So 1 plus negative 20 is negative 19. 1 plus 30 is 31. 6 plus 5 is 11. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. 0 plus negative 20, negative 20. 0 plus negative 5 is negative 5. All right. See you guys tomorrow.